Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. We are at 7,300 subscribers, guys. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT, guys. Super excited to give this away. Well, without further ado, let's hop into this video. I want to talk about CRO Coin, crypto.com. I want to talk about Bitcoin and kind of where the overall market is on this weekend. I hope you all are having a happy Sunday. So let's go into this. All right, guys. So right now, we're still above my key level of 21,600, guys, which is really nice. We're at 21,967, about to break 22,000 on Bitcoin. Guys, we are still consolidating in a healthy manner. I do have to say so myself. Well, this is definitely healthy, guys. The only thing that's really down is XRP, but that's kind of just an anomaly right now. There's money coming out of the stablecoins and getting fed back into the altcoins and into crypto right now. But all in all, we are consolidating, guys. But I do want to take a look at the crypto fear and greed index because I'm very curious to see how we're doing here. And we are coming down here to 50, which is honestly, I love to see that. I really like to see that. I like to see the greed coming down after we get a move to the upside. So we're still consolidating almost at about, what was this? Look at this. We're almost consolidating at about $22,000. After this, we were down here at 28, and now we came up to about 56 greed on the fear and greed index, and now we're at 50. And we're barely down, guys. I mean, we're consolidating in this price range. This is very healthy. We want to see the prices come up and the level of greed come down. When that happens, when the prices are trading sideways and kind of consolidating down in a channel, basically the greed comes down and it gives in a more opportunity to see where kind of the market sentiment is truly at. I mean, guys, I do think that we are still in a bear market. Whether you want to call it the end of the bear market or the beginning of the bull market, I do think that we're going to have big price swings. I mean, that's the name of the game when it comes to crypto and Bitcoin in general. As time goes on, the price swings get lesser and lesser, but there's still a crazy level of volatility when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto. So, guys, I'm prepared to see some moves down, but all in all, with the fear and greed, I want to see this greed level stay at about the 50 to 60 range as we make our way back up to 30, 40, $50,000 Bitcoin. So let's go over the Bitcoin history. I know that if you guys watch the channel, you see CryptoKip pull this chart up a lot. And, I actually, I really wanted to take a little dive into this because when you really start to look at this year of 2023, you realize how far we've come up so far. We've come up 40%, guys, in January. That's absolutely ludicrous. I love to see that. And we also have we're down 5.21%, which is really, in retrospect, nothing because it is not even halfway through the month, and we had a ridiculous run up in January. But when you just look through this chart, it's really curious to see. Well, let's look at the previous Februarys. Well, in 2014, we had a big downswing, but that's back when crypto and Bitcoin was very new. Overall, all in all, February has been basically I would say an average casual month. I mean, we have 20% gains. We see lots of gains, but the biggest losses, other than the 31%, which I will say is kind of an anomaly, an 8.6% loss. I mean, that's basically trading sideways after a 29%, 30% gain in January of 2022, or 2020, excuse me. But all in all, guys, very curious to see how the rest of this month plays out. I really do think that this is going to be more of a casual month, and we're going to be trading to the side and basically be consolidating the entire month. And that's what we really need. That's what we need for this fear and greed, I should say, the greed to come down more and give us an opportunity for some more FOMO to kick in once we start to move up. We don't want to be seeing FOMO at these levels because, well, when there's FOMO, that's usually right before a big crash, and it's too early for that. It's too early to be having FOMO. I've been paying attention to the sentiment outside of this echo chamber of crypto, and a lot of people aren't really talking about crypto right now, other than people outside of the crypto echo chamber are not really talking about cryptocurrency right now, which is very good when it comes to accumulating right now, guys. But let's look over at CRO Coin a little bit because we have broken down out of this ascending triangle pattern. And I still think that is a chance that we come back up into this triangle here. But I will say that it did break down, and if you did open up a short position, I did say that there was an opportunity for a breakout trade to the upside or to the downside. I was leaning to the upside, but we did come down Bitcoin a little bit. And if you did open up a trade over on BitGet or Femex down below, you made some awesome profits if you followed my trade. But I will say that there are many more opportunities to come. And if you guys want to enter a trade with me, there are links down below with BitGet. We get up to an $8,000 sign-up bonus, or Femex is a $4,600 sign-up bonus, and lots of other. We also have Binance, a $600 sign-up bonus. All you got to do is click the link below, sign up, deposit, and open a trade, and you're eligible for all this money. It's pretty awesome, guys. It's pretty awesome. There's lots of opportunity right now in this emerging market of crypto. But, all in all, guys, this is time to be accumulating. This is a time to be accumulating. Even if we come down to those lower levels right here at about 5.5 cents, I do not think that that's going to happen. I mean, it could happen, but the probabilities are very, very, very low in my opinion, because we've already tested those lows. We would need Bitcoin to come down to 15,000 for us to see the 5.5 cent range again. And I think that that time is kind of over. I really do. Now, I'm talking about this, and you might be Blacksea. Well, you're saying this. Maybe it's going to be the mother of all bull traps. But the probability and statistics behind it say otherwise. I really think that we could have some downward action. But I mean, let's look over at Bitcoin right now, because it always brings me back to why I say I think that time is over, is because we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, guys, and we're not gonna tank and make new lows right before the Bitcoin halving. Sure, I know, and you'll say, Blacksea, what about back there in March 2020 when we had this big dump? Well, yeah, that was a pandemic dump. That was a black swan event. And I think that we already had our black swan event. I think FTX was our black swan event. And I think that, sure, black swan events could happen again, but as of right now, I don't think that that's going to happen. I really don't. I see a move that we just start climbing up. And sure, we could have some downward action, but I don't see new lows. And that didn't even get to new lows. It got close, but look at that. It was a wick, guys. It was a massive, massive wick that got bought up immediately. And you know what I like to call those? Scam wicks. That was a big, big scam wick. A liquidate the longs. That's what that was. Liquidate the longs and then start the bull run. It's pretty ridiculous how that works. Could happen. That could happen again, a big liquidation event, but it'll be short-lived. So if you are leverage trading, please leverage trade at your own risk, guys. Be careful. Let's go over the S&P 500. We are still breaking out on the monthly. That big green candle looks beautiful. We still have 16 days and 6 hours left. So we have some time to trade around, but the weekly chart, oh man, looks great, guys. That weekly chart looks very, very good. Risk on asset rally, let's go. I mean, I'm seeing some bullish continuation and movement on big tech like Microsoft. And, January was a huge month for crypto. For Bitcoin, we came up 39%, guys. And I think it's going to continue to happen as long as we don't get knocked back down. And, we've got a dovish Fed now. The Fed is starting to talk about how this year is going to be all about inflation coming down. It's very, very awesome to see. It's very, very awesome to see. But guys, if you like this content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, please consider joining as a member. All you got to do is go in the description box below and click join for some cool membership perks, or go to our main channel and click this join button. You get awesome perks for our, basically you'll have these next to your name, and you have custom emojis where you can put in the comment section, as well as the live stream chat that we do every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time with Crypto Kip and I. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord where there's NFT Alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, as well as trading signals. And on top of that, it's just more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. We're going to be doing one-on-one Discord calls and whatnot. It's going to be really exciting, guys. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries to winning this load line NFT when we reach 25,000 subscribers each month you are a member. So it stacks up, guys. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.